The time is 9:26 and I'm preparing to go out. I've done some washing. As you can see, this guy here is low. So what do I have to do? Right now I have to pump it up. So I'm gonna use this guy to do it. Previous setting already there, 43.5, 44. Just to give some air and some space for expansion, I'm gonna make it adjust 43. So I'm gonna plug it into this guy, barely any air. You can see. Yeah, wow. How much pressure is in there? As you can see, 4.0. So let's start. See how far it can go. So it's been 6 minutes since 9:26. Alright, at 4 minutes at 9:26, and we have the PSI at 17.5. I can see the tire has gone up, so it's pumping quite well. After this, I'm going to make sure to get the tire to vulcanizer so they can change and figure out why the tire has been leaking. But all the same, the device works very well. With that kind of flat tire, I'll have had to change for the spare. But now the spare is sitting pretty and I'm using this guy. So this is 9:34. Tire pressure is now at 27.5. And you can see it's way off the ground. So 27.5 PSI and at 9:34. So that's in 9 minutes. Another 8 minutes to top it. So the pressure now is 37.0. So we have just 6.0 PSI to go. And the tire is well pumped. So you can either choose to quickly pump your tire or change it and go to the vulcanizer and then get the tire fixed. Or you can do this, get your tire fixed or pumped, go do what you gotta do, and then at your leisure, go to the vulcanizer to get it changed. Meanwhile, your spare is still in the back waiting for you to use it when the real emergency comes. 13.5. Let's go. So we are down to 43.0, which is how I want it to be. And then in a few seconds, it's going to turn off by itself. So all you have to do is know your tire's PSI, set it, let it pump, and when it gets to the desired level, if you have pressure, it will go off by itself. So you don't need to do much. And there you have it. It's gone off. Exactly 43.0 PSI. So what do you think? Is something worthy of being in your car as for emergency use or not? Let me know.